When I question BJP, that doesn't mean I support other parties' corrupt leaders. We criticize BJP just because they are in power and they are responsible for the law and order, for the policies, for the things that are happening in the country. While I am criticizing BJP, I do not support this.
Private medical colleges also is to take care for their students, and especially the girl child at night time. They should not be allowed to come out in the outside.
Also not this.
There is a saying, when rape is acceptable, lie down and enjoy it.
It is the people who need to decide that to whom they are voting. They should decide if in their area the person, regardless of the party, is honest and a good person. They should vote for that. I will question everyone or everything that is wrong. I have questioned my father from when he used to ask me to follow casteism. Leader sitting in parliament and saying that if you can't stop the rape, lie down and enjoy it. Who should enjoy the rape? A 14-year-old girl who has been abducted by a police officer who was meant to support her, protect her. Who should give a service happily to an old VIP just because that girl was from a poor family, was supporting her family and doing the job only for 10,000 rupees. She should enjoy that rape or she should enjoy that service. Mamata Banerjee said that then girl child should not go outside. That is my personal responsibility. But what is your responsibility as a public servant? You are a chief minister. What you are ensuring that these things should not happen? Why the laws are not that much strict that people, before committing such crimes, they should think. We cannot ask clean water, we cannot ask clean air, we cannot ask protection of the girls. Then why the government is there for? अभी बाहर किसी कंट्री में I have seen a news that a pregnant woman died and their health minister has resigned just because one pregnant woman died because of something. And हमारे यहाँ के नेता इतने shameless हैं that they say कि आप घंटा पता करके आए हो. और जब काफ़ी सारे बच्चों की डेथ हुई थी ड्यू टू कफ सिरप, उसमें वहाँ का जो मंत्री था वो ये बोलता है कि रात गई बात गई. दैट इज़ वाई पीपल नीड टू क्वेश्चन द गवर्नमेंट, द लीडर्स ऑफ दैट एरिया, CM, PM, whosoever इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल. अभी उत्तराखंड में अंकिता भंडारी को लेकर जो प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा था उसमें एक लेडी ज्योति अधिकारी जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रही थी उसके लिए उन्हें बहुत सारे केसेस में फंसा के जेल में डाल दिया है. बहुत सारी औरतों की भावनाएं आहत हो गई हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने देवताओं के बारे में कुछ बोल दिया और सो कॉल्ड बहुत अच्छी औरतों के बारे में कुछ बोल दिया. इन औरतों की भावनाएं तब क्यों नहीं आहत होती है जब इनकी बेटियों के, जब इनके एरिया की बेटियों के रेप होते हैं, जब इनकी एरिया की बेटियों से सर्विस मांगी जाती है. एंड जब एक मंत्री खुलेआम बोलता है कि 20-25 हज़ार में हम बिहार से औरतें ले आते हैं, तब क्यों नहीं इन लोगों की भावनाएं आहत होती हैं? तब क्यों नहीं इन लोगों के खिलाफ कोई मुकदमा दायर किया? But they will target the person who is protesting for someone who was innocent and killed. Shame on such people.